Hello, this is Daddy and Kyle again. Today, Kyle's going to show you his Hoover Constellation. This one here is a late 60s model.
Pumpkin.
It's a 867A.
Pumpkin.
And we think the colour is pumpkin with a grey colour. If somebody knows the exact colour of this one, it's a bit of a strange combination.
Now?
Inside there, the 867A has got a slightly different vent system for the hovering.
Dad, tip it upwards.
And then we're going to show you inside the machine. Yeah, that's
Original bag.
the genuine Hoover bags. If anybody's got a Hoover Constellation and wants the genuine bags, you can get them from Amazon, from a seller that they use. And we're going to now show you the Hoover Constellation in action.
Still a bit silent.
Right. You kick it and see if it's going to float today. Put it on the thing. See, it is floating, right? All done. Yeah, it's a very quiet machine, and it is a very good condition. It's got a couple of chips on the top, but as it being made of metal and painted.
And we Skype now.
And any comments on any facts or any
Skype now.
Bye.
Bye, we Skype.